Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the G4 notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the G4 notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, wireless module, hard disk drive, optical drive, keyboard, top cover, USB board, and display assembly. Removal: carefully remove the 2 mylar screw covers on the bottom corners of the display bezel. Remove the two 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the display bezel to the display enclosure. Gently pry up on the left, right, top, and bottom inside edges of the display bezel to disengage the display bezel from the display enclosure. Lift and remove the display bezel. Replacement: place the display bezel into position on the display enclosure. Apply pressure around the outside edges of the display bezel until it snaps into the display enclosure. Replace the two 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the display bezel to the display enclosure. Replace the 2 mylar screw covers on the bottom corners of the display bezel.